Feedback frustrations? Not anymore. Let's acknowledge the struggle bus we've all been on. You're staring at a mountain of assignments taller than my last impulsive online purchase. You want to give amazing, personalized feedback that makes your learners do a happy dance, but your schedule is like, nope, try again later. But there's hope. We're about to transform you from a frazzled feedback giver to a productivity ninja. Get ready to unlock the secrets to saving time and still giving helpful feedback. All right, gamers, let's talk objectives. By the end of this video, you'll be a feedback-giving machine, but like a nice, supportive machine. First, you'll use super smart tools to give fast, effective feedback. No more carpal tunnel for you. We're all about working smarter, not harder. Second, you'll maintain quality and engagement, even with huge groups. And finally, you'll walk away with at least one strategy to make feedback less stressful. You ready? Let's do this. Okay, listen up because this is a game changer. Rubrics aren't just for students, they're sanity savers for you. They give structure to your feedback, speed up grading, and keep things fair and clear. It's like having a personal assistant for your feedback life. Think of it like this. A rubric is basically a roadmap for success. It tells your learners exactly what you're looking for, so they know how to get that A+. Pro tip, share your rubric before the assignment is due. Audio and video feedback, get personal. Want your feedback to feel more human? Use that magical voice of yours, or better yet, your face. Because sometimes a smile can say more than a paragraph of text. Try out tools like Loom, Mote, or your LMS's built-in recorder. It's as easy as hitting record and letting your awesome personality shine through. Imagine this. Hey, Alex, your intro was super engaging. Love how you hooked me in with that question. Just a quick thought. Consider tightening up your second paragraph for clarity. Boom! Takes 30 seconds. Feels personal. Everyone wins. Annotated feedback. Mark it up. Nobody wants to read a novel-length feedback comment. Instead of writing long summaries, give feedback in context. Use annotation tools in Google Docs, your LMS, or even PDF editors. Highlight a confusing sentence and add a comment like, "Can you rephrase this to clarify your main point?" Comment banks. Stop repeating yourself. Are you tired of typing the same comments over and over again? Create a comment bank with reusable phrases. It's like having a secret stash of feedback gold. Some examples? Great use of evidence. Consider expanding on this idea. Or how about, try varying sentence structure for better flow. Just copy, paste, tweak, and bam, you're done. Total game changer. LMS automations, your new BFF. Your LMS isn't just a fancy file cabinet for all your digital stuff. Use it to auto-grade quizzes. No more late-night grading sessions. You can even trigger feedback based on scores. Imagine this. A student gets a question wrong and bam, your pre-written explanation pops up to save the day. Set it up once, save hours later. It's like magic, but better, because it's technology. Take action. Time for a little reflection moment. What's one tool or strategy from today's list that you could start using right now to make your feedback more efficient? Don't overthink it. Just pick one thing and commit. Drop it in the comments below, or if you're using this video in a course, jot down your thoughts in your journal. Accountability is key, people. You got this! Let's recap. Efficient feedback isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart. It's not about cutting corners, it's about cutting clutter. When you combine tech with a little bit of strategy, your feedback becomes faster, friendlier, and way more effective. So the next time you're buried under a pile of papers or digital submissions, remember, you don't need to do more, you need to do it smarter. And on that note, I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, at Digital Education Zone, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.